So here's what the website will look like when you click on the link. You'll need to scroll down to where it says play free online and press that. Press play now. You guys are going to be playing Deal or No Deal if you've seen that TV game show at all. But you're not just going to play just however you want to. You're going to have to use some probability when you're making your decisions. So I'm going to show you how I want you to do that.
Ms. Fulmer, I just messaged you.
Okay, so if you're not familiar with Deal or No Deal, there are 26 briefcases. Each one of them has a value ranging from a penny up to $1 million. You're obviously trying to win the most money that you can. So the first thing that you have to do is you choose what case you want. So that's the case that you think has the $1 million in it. It's obviously, there's not a huge chance that you can pick that just by guessing, but you just choose whatever case you want. I chose case number 12. So that's my case for the entire game until I decide to give it up. The first round, you're going to choose 6 cases to open. When you open a case, the value that's inside that case gets eliminated. So choose 10 cases or 6 cases. One more. Okay, after you choose the number of cases for each round, it's going to give you an offer from the bank. Okay, I don't know why it did that. It gave me a time limit. Okay, I don't like that. Okay, let me go on to the next round and see if there was a way that I could change that setting. Okay, so when it comes to this screen, you need to very quickly write down the banker's offer. So right now the banker's offer is $52,695. Okay, it's going to make you take the deal every time just because you're going to run out of time. But here's what I want you to do before you move on after that screen. Okay, here's the banker's offer that we're working with right now, $52,695. So what you're going to do is you're going to count the number of cases that you have left that have more than this amount in them. So if we go back to our game, our banker's offer is $52,695. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cases left that have more than that amount. And then we want to know the total number of cases left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay. So Here's the math that I want you guys to do. There are 5 cases left that have more than this banker's offer out of the 15 total cases left. Okay, that simplifies to 1/3, which is about 33%. What this is telling us is that if we were to keep playing the game, like reject this banker's offer, because when you take the banker's offer, that means the game's over and you just get this amount. But we have a 33% chance that if we kept playing the game, we would win more than that amount. So in theory, we would want to use this probability to help us make the decision of whether or not to take this banker's offer. Now, what I didn't realize about that game online is that it's not giving you enough time to do this math before you have to make a decision. So every time it gives you a banker's offer, we're going to let it go. You need to write it down like this and do this math after the fact, even though the game online is going to make you take the deal because you're going to run out of time. That's fine. I just want to see this math for each banker's offer that you receive. So let's go ahead and keep going. I'll show you. We need to choose 4 cases for this round. Oh, I'm not having a very good round. I just eliminated the 2 highest values. 3 highest values. Cool. So my banker's offer is not going to be very good. Banker's offer is $16,479. Okay, so I jotted that down really quickly. And then we're going to do our math. 16,479. Let's count the number of cases that have more than that left. 1, 2, 3. And there are 11 cases total that are left. So 16,479. There are 3 cases left that have more than that. There are 11 cases left total. 3 over 11 doesn't simplify, but it's about 27%. So that tells us we have a 27% chance of winning more than this banker's offer if we were to keep playing, which we are going to keep playing because the game forces us to, because it doesn't give us enough time. That's fine. So this was offer number 2 and offer number 3. I wasn't quick enough to write down offer number 1, but you should have something that looks similar to this for your first offer as well. Okay, let's keep going. We need to open 3 cases now. Banker's offer, $22,439. $22,439. We have 2 values, 2 cases left that have values that are more than that out of the 8 cases that are left. So our fourth offer is $22,439. That's 2 out of 8 cases left that have more than that. That's 1/4, which is 25%. So we have a 25% chance of winning more than this banker's offer if we were to keep playing, which again, the game is forcing us to do. So let's keep playing. 2 cases this time. Banker's offer, $30,975. $30,975 or $957, sorry. So count the number of cases left that have more than that. It's 2 cases out of the 6 cases that are left. Okay, so here's my notes. The 5th offer, we got $30,957. There are 2 cases left out of the 6 that have more than this amount in them. So that's a third of the cases that are left, which is 33%. Okay, 33% chance that we could, if we were to keep playing, we would win more than what the bank is offering us. Okay, let's go on. This round, we only have to open 1 case. And we get another offer, $37,854. $37,854. There are still 2 cases left that have more than that in them out of the 5 cases that are left. Okay, offer number 6 is $37,854. 2 cases have more than that amount left out of the 5 that are left, which is 40%. So there's a 40% chance that if we were to keep playing, we would win more than what the bank is offering us. All right, we have to open another case. $47,419. $47,419. There are still 2 cases left that have more than that. And now there are only 4 cases left total. So our offer right now is $47,419. That's 2 out of the 4 cases that are left that have more than that. So we'd have a 50% chance of winning more than what the bank is offering us if we were to keep playing, which we are because the game is forcing us to. Open another case. Bank offer $45,381. $45,381. Okay, there's 1 case left that has more than that amount. 3 cases left total. So we have a 1 out of 3 chance of winning more than what the bank is offering us here, which is a 33% chance. Okay, we have to open another case. Banker's offer is $61,600. $61,600. Okay. There was only 1 case with more than that in it out of the 2 that are left. Okay, so you're going to have to be quick when you get to the end of the game because you still need to do this math for that offer. There was 1 case that had more than this amount out of the 2 cases that were left. So that's a 50% chance that we could still win more than what the bank is offering us. Once you get to this last round, you can stay with the original case that you chose, or you can switch to the other case that's left and win the money that's in that one. I'm going to stick with mine. I win $100. Yay. Okay, so after you finish a game, here's what I want you to do with your paper. I want you to analyze all of the bank offers again and decide if there is an offer that you should have taken if you would have had the chance to. Okay, so for example, this last offer that I got was really good, especially compared to the money that I actually ended up with. So if I were to go back and play this same exact game again, I would advise myself to take this offer. So I'm going to write, I should have taken the bank's 9th offer. Okay, or I should have chosen the other case at the very end because it had 200,000. Okay, so after you play the game, your notes, your paper should look something very similar to this. Okay, you should have all of your bank offers, you should have some probability math, and then you should have a summary of maybe what you should have done differently. Or if you end up winning the million, obviously you shouldn't do anything differently, but you need to have something written about your game at the end. Okay, you only have to play this game through once. Take these notes and then you'll submit a photo of this paper after you've done it. Okay, so let me get the assignment posted on Classroom and then you guys can get started.